Hi, I'm John with FLX Bikes, and today we are going to be doing a little mechanic quickie. We're going to show you how to take off your rear wheel. In order to do that, you're going to need a couple tools, a 3/4 inch or 19 millimeter crescent wrench, a 4 millimeter Allen wrench, and a Torx 25. I like to move the rear brake out of the way. I take the bottom bolt out, and then I just slightly loosen the top bolt, and that allows us to pivot the brake up and down without losing our calibration, so we don't have to reset the brake. That just pivots right up like that. Next, we are going to undo our motor cable and loosen the rear axle nuts. We can take the tension off the tensioning bolts. So this is gonna drop the slack on this belt quite a bit here, and we're just gonna completely take the slack off of it. Oh yeah, look at that. So now, with the belt slackened like that, you can kind of press on it from the inside out and run it backwards on the chainring, and it pops right off. So then I like to take it and just take it up, put it over the seat, and it tucks it nice and out of the way for us. And with that, we just slide the wheel right out. So to reinsert our wheel, we're just gonna basically do the same thing in reverse. We're gonna start inserting the bike back into the dropouts, making sure that the washers are on each side of the frame. All right, slide that in just like that. You're gonna move your belt back into position, put it back on the small cog, and start to put it on this one. Just run it in reverse, just like that. We're gonna take our 4 millimeter and we're gonna put the tension back on this belt now. Yeah, so you just want it pretty much tight enough that it's not gonna be coming off the chainring, but not so tight that it's putting too much pressure on the rear hub tower here. So that looks pretty good to me. And then we want to make sure our wheel is in balance with the left side. That looks really good. You can check your balance by making sure the wheel is centered through the rear triangle at this point, and then again down here. So that looks like it's right in between the two. So that's where we want it. We're going to lower the rear brake again and reinsert the bolt. Gonna tighten both of those down. We're going to retighten our axle nuts. And then we're gonna rejoin our motor cable. So for that, you just wanna make sure that the arrows are facing each other, and you wanna insert it all the way up until the line meets the end of the opposite plug, just like that. And there you have it, it's that easy.